Good morning. It's still a little cold here. It's like 18 degrees. I'm playing my game, and now I will begin to do some of my, yes, I spend time playing with friends, some of my tasks, and the first one will be water the plants. Let's do that. Yesterday I watered the other plants with my little handy water thing here. I will put water and take care of this. Just finished cleaning the dishes and watering the plants, and I'm transferring the files from my video from yesterday. I will work on that. I need to wash the mugs that I bought to make a gift, and I need to get toilet paper for the bathroom that I have in the basement, and then I will continue doing. First I will go with my video. It takes longer. Transferring the files now to my USB, and in that way I can go and pass to my laptop. That is where I edit videos. It takes a little time, so getting bed ready, making bed, and I will shred papers. That's the next thing. So I put dishes away. I actually just sweep. I need to mop and shred paper, water plants. Let's go to do that. As always, the first one to jump on bed when it's ready, huh? You think that you own this bed? Time to shred papers. My good companion here. I just finished the shredding. I'm uploading my video. I finished the edition. I tried to vacuum and clean, and my vacuum is dead. I can vacuum, I can sweep a little, but when you have dogs and a lot of fur, it's really hard. I will go to put laundry away. Oh, and I did the cleaning of the bathroom. I have my bed done. Are you ready to go to do some laundry? Are you? Okay, let's go to do it. Okay, laundry's going. I clean my drawers here, and I have everything separate, and I have a little baby here. Little baby. Yes. Oh, the toilet paper. I keep the big bags of toilet paper here, so I will bring one with me. I don't think that I need anything else. Okay, my videos uploading, and this is part of what my sister-in-law sent us. It's more, but this is what is that's in the box. I will do my puzzle. Sorry that is messy. Let me get everything here. My last 3 days, 22. Let's get this puppy going. And of course I have that puppy there. Oh, my killer. A little faster than finish my tea. So good. Let's put this away. It's almost done. Going to do the cookies, huh? cookies. Have my 2 eggs. This is a little hard. But when I turn the oven, 350. Okay, dude.